Welcome to Smart Star Tech. Hello all. In this video we are going to discuss about a simple C program. We have a simple C program to print hello world and we have #include stdio.h, so the #include here is a preprocessor directive and it will include the file which is given within the angle brackets into the current source file. And here the file to be included is stdio.h. It is the standard input-output library and it is a header file which has the necessary information to include the input-output related functions in our program such as printf, scanf, etc. So if you want to use any of these functions you must include stdio.h in the source code. So first line is over, then we have int main, so this is where the execution begins from. Operating system initiates the program execution by invoking the main function, and since we have int in place of return type, it will expect an integer value. From the main function we can say that this integer returned represents the status of the program if any system call error occurs, like if any file is not found or if access is denied, then it returns the error code, and if the program was executed and completed successfully without any system called errors, then it returns a 0. Next we have the opening curly brace. Since C is a block structured programming language, the statements are grouped together to achieve a specific task and we use curly braces to group them, and if you see an opening curly brace it means the starting point of the block. Next we have printf hello world. So as we said before, printf is a function which is defined in stdio.h header file. Using printf function we can print the output on the screen. Here hello world will be printed as the output and not this semicolon here. That is important because every statement in C must end with a semicolon. And if we are using printf function and forget to include stdio.h library on the program, then the compiler will throw warning saying that implicit declaration of built-in function printers. So it is really important to include corresponding header files in the source program. Next we have written 0 as we learned this integer represents the status of the program and a 0 indicates successful execution and a non-zero value indicates a non-successful execution. In main function we always explicitly return 0 and the program execution will be reaching the return 0 statement if and only if all the above statements are executed without any system called error. If program execution reaches a return 0 statement, we can ensure that there was no system call error in our program. If any error occurred it would have returned a non-zero integer. And finally we have the closing brace indicating the end of the block. Thank for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe this channel.